myself Ketan Bhavsar, Assistant Professor in LJ Engineering College, Ahmedabad. In this session, we discuss about fundamental of image processing and cover two topics: human vision system, sampling and quantization. For the first part of this video, you can see the description below this video and link is also available. Human vision system. In our vision system available in our body, it's human eyes. It works as a camera. We capture the image. According to the image property, we analyze, and according to that, we take a decision and we react. You can see some of the part of our eyes or human vision system: lens, cornea, iris, blind spot, retina, fovea. Now we're talking about each and every main elements of human vision system. Lens, made of concentric layer of fibrous cells containing 60 to 70% water. Retina, innermost layer or screen on which image is formed by the lens when properly focused, contains photoreceptors. Cornea, outer through transparent membrane cover anterior surface. Sclera, outer through opaque membrane cover rest of the optic globe. Choroid, containing blood vessels provide nutrition to the human eyes. Cornea or cones, 6 to 7 millions located in central position or portion of retina, responsible for photopic vision and color perception, can resolve fine details. Rods, 75 to 150 million distributed over the entire retina, responsible for scotopic vision, dim light vision, not color sensitive, gives general overall picture. Rods generally are active in night visions and cones generally are active in day vision. Fovea, circular indentation in center of retina about 1.5 mm diameter, dense with cones, and photoreceptors around the fovea responsible for spatial vision. Iris, anterior portion of choroid, pigmented, gives color to the eyes. Pigmented, it's an artist word. It's all about the color. Pupils, central opening of the iris controls the amount of lights entering the eyes. Basically, pupils are active whenever you drive a vehicle and lights come in front of you, then our pupils is generally helpful for balancing the intensity of light. It's play a main role in night vision or day vision. Photoreceptors around the periphery responsible for detecting motion also. Blind spot, point on a retina where optic nerves emerges devoid of photoreceptors. As you can see the blind spot, when rods and cones are not active at that time, we cannot identify the color or object, so it's called as a blind spot. Image as a 2D, so image can be a 2D or 3D. As you can see, it's the image as a 2D. There are the two coordinates x and y, and you can see the pixels. Pixel is the smallest part of image which contain the value, or we can say that the amplitude of the particular pixels. For the color, it can be a red, green and blue. For the grayscale, it can be a red only from range from 0 to 255, and for black and white, it can be a 0 or 1. Digital image is a 2D array of pixels. Each pixel is characterized by x and y coordinates and its value. Digital image are characterized by metric size pixel depth and resolution. The matrix size is determined from the number of columns m and number of rows n of image matrix m cross n. The size of a matrix is selected by the operator. It can be a 255 into 255, it can be a 512 into 512, it depends on operator or user. Sampling and quantization. It's play a main role to convert your image into analog to digital form. An image function f of x comma y must be digitalized both spatially and in amplitude in order to become suitable for digital image processing. In order to create an image which is digital, we need to convert continuous data into digital form. This conversion from analog to digital involves two processes. Sampling means digitization of coordinate value, quantization, digitization of amplitude labels. In sampling, digital image processing, sampling is reduction of the continuous time signal to discrete time signal. Sampling can be done for function varying in space, time or any other dimension and similar results are obtained in two or more dimensions. Quantization. Quantization is the process of mapping input values from a large set to output value in a smaller set, often with finite number of elements. Quantization is the opposite of sampling. It is done on y-axis. When you are quantizing an image, you are actually dividing a signal into quantization or partition. The image is analog, or you can say the analog signal is look like this. It's particular dots, and after applying the quantization, you are getting the exact amplitude values. So you can convert the data into digital form easily using quantization. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this video, and for any doubt you can contact me on my email address.